All right, so let's do this. Earlier, I've shown you all how to install Skyline Automation Toolkit on Windows, right? Let me show you what it looks like installing on Linux. In particular, let me show you how to do it on Photon OS, right? So if you deploy a Photon OS machine, it could be anything, right? As long as it's running, you could do the following. Check this out. Right now, this is a plain Photon OS machine, right? So let's do this. Name. All right. First things first, let's install the PowerShell. All right, now PowerShell is installed. Let's do this. Let's start it up. Okay. As you can see, we're running PowerShell 7.1.5. This is the core version, of course, because it's running on Linux. Now, let's install the Skyline Automation Toolkit. Because it's running Linux, you don't have to set the execution policy, so let's do this. And there you have it. You've installed it. Check this out. Now it's not complete, right? So you can actually, because it's running PowerShell, you can actually install the rest. And you don't have to do this in any kind of order, right? So like for example, let's do NSX. There you have it. It's installed Power NSX. Now, if you want to check it out, guess what? By rerunning the same exact script, I've actually added a feature in to check to see if it's already installed. If it did, it doesn't do anything, right? So, get module. You'll find that everything is not loaded, but it's there. So let's install another one, right? So. There. Once again, if you would try to run this again, it will say that it's already installed. Last but not least, install PowerShell. PowerCLI at least. Now this is going to take a while, okay? So I'll speed up the video. And there you have it. PowerShell is now installed.